If you're looking for a dash cam that won't break the bank and has a good front and rear view, as well as good quality, this might be the one for you. This is the Vava 2K dual dash cam that I got from eBay literally almost 3 years ago. And I wanted to do a long-term review on it because there's so many dash cams in the market now, and I think this is actually one of the better ones out there. In terms of the features on here, my favorite ones since I've owned the actual device is the emergency recording, because it records like a good 15-second snippet anytime any kind of bump happens on the road, or maybe like a hard stop, any kind of like non-normal activity happens inside the car, as well as the fact that there's Wi-Fi connection. So you can actually connect this to your phone while you're in the car and it's actually on charge. So you can actually retrieve videos on the spot instead of having to take it to your laptop like I have here, going to connect the dash cam into the laptop and then retrieving your documentation. As for some video content, I'm going to put that in the next clip, and you'll actually be able to also hear an audio recording from inside my car. So right here, this is an audio test. This is me going down the freeway, and this is me speaking normally. This is to show you the audio quality of the camera for the Vava 2K dash cam. As you can see though, it is a little shaky, especially with these one-on-one sound. As far as the audio quality, I'm a huge fan of it. I think it's very crystal clear, so it's a lot better than the dash cams that I've seen around the same price range. Honestly, this dash cam is probably like one of the better dash cams I've used. I've actually not been in the market to look at another dash cam because I think it does the job, and it also is very good quality for how much I paid for it, which was $70 back in, I think it was 2021. And also I've had this in my Camry, never caused me any issues. Right now it's in my Accord, and it's never caused me any issues then. Honestly, the only problem is the micro SD card sometimes gets corrupted, even though it's been in the actual dash cam just by itself. Like, it's just been in here, but it just gets corrupted, and then it says micro SD card incorrect. Besides the fact of that happening, also I guess the longevity factor of the hook that connects it to the actual car, that deteriorates over time. That's probably one of my other gripes. And then also the fact that it doesn't automatically just recycle the storage, so you have to format it once every maybe 2 to 3 weeks. Besides that though, I think the visibility is great. The audio from the mic is actually really good. I was just looking at some videos just because I was doing some nighttime drives with my friend, and I was really impressed how good the audio sounded. It sounded like it was from a phone call, a crystal clear phone call. So if you're looking for anything like that, I mean, I would recommend the Vava dash cam. I might have some links down below. I'm not affiliated, but I think it's a really good option if you want to put one in your car. And if you like any type of content like this, like, comment, share. Let me know if you want me to review anything else. Maybe I'll look into getting those products and then reviewing it for you. Peace.